Ayan, dahil malapit na yung Valentine's, ayan, yun naman yung kakantahin ko. Kasi February 8, 2009 na ngayon eh. Kaya, happy Valentine's sa lahat! You are the one who makes me happy when everything else turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me mornings and sends me out into the day. You are the grasses quietly listening to me and all the nonsense that it makes. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Sorry if sometimes I will ask you, there's no one beyond your eyes. Inside my head, the wheels are turning, please sometimes I'm not so wise. You are my heart and my soul, my inspiration, just like the old record says. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone mean more to me than you? Ayan, para yan sa two kids ko na kay Stacey at Ashley. Ayan, sana makita nila ito someday. Ayan, para sa inyo. Love you both. Mwah.